Hey guys, Captain Paul here with Waterfront Adventures. Behind me you'll see our site for our new Waterfront Adventures. That building should be here late into this year, 2024, and we're super excited about it. What we're looking at here with Waterfront Adventures is a 2-story building. Upstairs we'll have shower facilities, changing facilities, education center for us to show you and teach you about manatees. Downstairs will be a state-of-the-art retail facility. So we'll have everything from A to Z. So here at the Adventure Center, we'll be carrying anything and everything manatees from A to Z. If you can think about it, we're going to be selling it here at the Adventure Center. One of the most exciting features about this new Adventure Center is how close we are to the water. We're literally walk out our front door and step foot onto the boat, whether it be a rental boat, a kayak, a kayaking tour, or one of our famous manatee tours. We do those regular tour, we do a semi-private and a private option, and that'll all be located right out the back door of the Adventure Center. If you would like to learn more about what we got going on here at the Waterfront Adventures, is go to our website at swimmingwiththemanatees.com. You can see pictures and renderings of the exciting things to come.